Hey, good afternoon. This is Tino, NG Home Improvement LLC. I'm showing you what we finished on this project in here on Maplewood, on Prospect Avenue, Maplewood. So there was a leak coming from the main stack line from the third floor bathroom in here, and then the leak showed up right next to the light. So what I did is, after doing some inspections, and we opened this up about 2 feet by 2 feet, and as you can see, it's also replaced and finished. So we did in this area in here, we replaced the housing, which is an elbow about 4 inches, and we connected to the main line and replaced it with PVC. So after all of that was done, it's all finished, painted, and you can't even tell there was anything done. In order to get to the main line, we're in the second floor in here in the office. In order to get to the main line, right behind this wall in here, right underneath right by the base, what I did is I cut the base about 18-16 inches, and as you can see, it's all finished. And fixed. So we replaced the stack pipe and another line in there because that's where the crack was, and then the whole line is fixed now. So basically I replaced this was plaster, so replaced it, fixed it, put sheetrock back on and painted, and it's all almost brand new. You won't even know it was there. So let's go on the other side, and I'll show you what in the bathroom, what we did in the other bathroom in here. So this bathroom in here is right behind the office and also right above the kitchen. So when we came in here, the first thing we knew is that there was a bathroom up top, and we thought that just after the bathroom, probably there was a leak in here. So first thing we did is remove this toilet in here, and after me opening up the sheetrock underneath, remove the toilet in here, we found out that this was on a separate line altogether, and it was PVC, so it was all good. We didn't need to do anything else. So after we finished replacing the stack, which goes right on this wall in here, the main stack line, and it goes up in a bathroom upstairs. There's another bathroom upstairs, and that's behind the office. It made no sense to do that versus replacing all this bathroom in here that another plumber told the customer to do, to remove all this floor in order to get to the pipes in there. And so when he called me, I actually asked him to do some extra work to it, basically instead of me open up the floor, to do some inspection and actually open up the ceiling underneath, which you saw was finished, and also remove the toilet in here. So while we did that and fixed the main plumbing line, the customer asked us to fix the faucets in here and the faucets in here. The faucets in here were actually seized, they couldn't be fixed. So we decided to order new and basically install two new American standards. They look very good. So while we did that, found out that some of the valves in here, the shower valves, need to be redone, replaced as well. So we replaced one of them. The other one is good. So we did the same thing on this side. We replaced one and the other one was good. So and also this handle in here need to be replaced. I replaced that. We replaced the valve in there as well. And also this one, the cartridge, the downspout was leaking, so we needed a new cartridge. So we ordered a new cartridge from Kohler. and the stop lines. So I replaced those two stop lines and also the cartridge in there, and now, you know, everything works well. So I just finished this today, caulked underneath in there. That one is ready to go. These guys are ready to go. So this is a wrap, and I'll show you down upstairs where the bathroom is so you guys can see. Yeah, so this is the bathroom in here, in the main stack line that comes from that was cracked. Also this line in here that serves the toilet, and I mean the toilet is over there, but the sink and the tub, that was actually leaking as well, so we replaced those. Hopefully I can look how beautiful the setup is. Yeah, so everything was coming down here. I actually didn't know in the beginning, and I asked the consumer, instead of open up the floor, I said maybe we move this cabinet and we'll replace them back again. I also did this backsplash about a year ago in here. I removed the old one and I replaced it with new. Excuse the mess, but I also forgot to say that I removed this light in here because it was on the way, in a way, and I repositioned it a little bit, you know, so I kind of readjusted, and it's all good to go. Also, I want to show that I have already ordered the door for here. This door needs to be replaced. It doesn't close well, so that needs to go, and we'll be replacing more or less with almost the same. Hello. Let me show you on the other side. I did some other wall adjustments. So you see those boards in there. I replaced those with PVC because there was a leak on those and they were rotted. So I replaced those as well. And this was about a year ago. There's something in there in the front which I can't get to because the door is locked. Time to go home now. And that's a wrap. See you later to the next one.